Hey Rance, this is Nathan Starkle. I'm a student in your computer architecture class, and I just wanted to make this quick little video. I figured it was a little bit better format than trying to explain it in an email about the problem that I'm having. Essentially, I tried to implement the printer code that you gave me during office hours today with the pointer, utilizing the pointer to print out the contents of the array. And when I went ahead and tried to connect and integrate the code, I noticed that it would show you here. It would kind of print out part of it, and then part of it is zeros, and it wouldn't sort it correctly. So at first I thought, okay, my sort code isn't working. But after I went ahead and did some troubleshooting, I kind of came up to the conclusion of if I put these load statements here at the end of my exit function, essentially what this will do is this will load the 0th element into the 25th register. This will load the first element into the 25th register, and then this will load the second element of my array into the 25th register, so kind of doing it sequentially, which will see what the contents of my array are before it goes out to the pointer print function. And after I ran this, and it's going to take me a little bit to get there, but I'll just step through these lines here. So essentially this is my code working and running. And once we get out of the for loop and basically enter the exit tag, which will happen there, we can see that before I jump over this line, we can see that x25 has nothing in it, okay? And the proper number ordering for this function, or for this array, would be 1, 22, 36, which when I go ahead and step over this line, we can see that in 25 it has 1, and then I step it over again and we can see that it has 16, which if we do since that's in hexadecimal, essentially that's 22, which is correct. So it should go 1, 22, and then the next number should be 24, which we know is 36. So essentially it has the proper content in the array. It's just once it gets submitted into the print function, something happens. I don't know if it has something to do with this malloc function not parsing it correctly, maybe. I don't know if it's just probably my weird way of setting up this function, but I was hoping that maybe you could help me out by seeing if maybe there's a way I could fix the print function to print properly to the command prompts. Okay? Alright, thank you. Much appreciated.